Welcome back to Drive Zone Academy. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated trucks of the year, the 2025 Chevy Silverado SS, officially unveiled and ready to shake up the performance pickup segment. Chevrolet has pulled out all the stops with this model, blending the raw power of a muscle car with the toughness and practicality of a full-size truck. Let's take a closer look at everything this beast has to offer, from its bold exterior design to its refined interior, its impressive performance, and of course, the price point. At first glance, the 2025 Silverado SS is unmistakably aggressive. The front end has been redesigned with a wider stance, a blacked-out grille, and sharp LED headlights that give it a commanding presence on the road. Chevy has also included aerodynamic enhancements like a sculpted hood with functional air vents and body-colored bumpers that set it apart from the standard Silverado lineup. Riding on massive 22-inch wheels, this truck exudes both power and sophistication. The SS badging is prominently displayed, reminding everyone that this isn't just another work truck, it's a performance machine. With flared fenders and a sportier body kit, the Silverado SS looks ready to take on any challenge, whether on the highway or at the drag strip. Moving inside, the Silverado SS surprises with a balance of ruggedness and luxury. The cabin has been upgraded with premium materials, including leather-trimmed sport seats with contrast stitching and SS branding embroidered into the headrests. The flat-bottom steering wheel adds a sporty touch, while aluminum pedals and carbon fiber accents emphasize the truck's performance identity. At the center, you'll find a massive 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen paired with a 12.3-inch digital driver display. Chevrolet's latest software offers seamless smartphone integration, voice control, and real-time performance data that lets you monitor things like horsepower, torque, and G-forces directly on the screen. Practicality hasn't been overlooked either, with plenty of storage compartments, rear seat space, and advanced driver assist features making it comfortable for daily use. Now, the part most fans have been waiting for, performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Silverado SS packs a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine pushing out an estimated 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, sending power to all four wheels through an advanced all-wheel drive system. With this setup, the Silverado SS can rocket from 0 to 60 in just around 4 seconds, an astonishing number for a full-size truck. Chevrolet has also equipped it with upgraded suspension, Brembo performance brakes, and a sport-tuned exhaust system that delivers a deep, aggressive growl every time you hit the throttle. It's not just about straight-line speed either. Handling has been tightened to make the truck feel more agile, whether you're taking sharp corners or cruising at high speeds. In terms of technology and safety, the Silverado SS is packed with features. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera system that makes maneuvering this big machine surprisingly easy. There's also launch control in multiple drive modes, including a track mode designed to extract maximum performance when you want to have some fun. Of course, all this power and refinement comes at a price. The 2025 Silverado SS is expected to start around $75,000, with fully loaded versions pushing closer to $90,000. While that may sound steep, it's important to remember that you're getting a truck that competes not only with other performance pickups like the Ram TRX and Ford F-150 Raptor R but also with high-end sports cars when it comes to raw acceleration and thrill. Considering its dual nature as both a practical truck and a performance powerhouse, the value is definitely there for enthusiasts who want it all. The 2025 Chevy Silverado SS is a bold move from Chevrolet, proving that trucks can deliver muscle car levels of excitement while still maintaining utility. From its aggressive exterior and premium interior to its jaw-dropping performance and cutting-edge technology, this truck is a game-changer. Whether you're a Chevy loyalist or simply someone looking for the ultimate performance pickup, the Silverado SS deserves serious attention. So that's the complete look at the 2025 Chevy Silverado SS. What do you think? Does it have what it takes to claim the crown in the performance truck world? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed car and truck reviews, and stay tuned here at Drive Zone Academy for all the latest automotive content.